Hi, Namaste. Today we are discussing about how to buy tokens on Trust Wallet using Indian rupees. Before that, you can open three accounts. First one is Vajrex app, and second one is Binance, and third one is Trust Wallet. First, you can deposit Indian rupees in Vajrex app. Click on Vajrex app and deposit INR Indian rupees. Click on Indian rupees and deposit your Indian rupees. After that, you can buy BNB INR. You can also buy using USDT. Click on BNB INR and click on buy, and you can buy. I'm purchasing just 600 rupees. 600 rupees worth of BNB, just 0.026. After purchasing of BNB, it will show in your funds. Just I have purchased 600 rupees of BNB 0.026. Before that, you can link your Vajrex to Binance account. Why? Because you can transfer Vajrex to Binance without any charges. That's why we are transferring BNB to Vajrex. If you transfer BNB to directly Trust Wallet, it will charge more than 100 to 200 rupees. That's why we are transferring BNB to Binance account. Before that, you can connect your Vajrex app to Binance account and click after connecting the two wallets. Click on Binance, click on withdraw, select the Binance account, click on withdraw all and transfer to Binance. Click on confirm. You will receive a OTP. Click on authentication. Click on Binance app. Click on wallet. It will show your balance. Click on Binance. Click on withdraw Binance or withdraw. It will asking you address and network fees and my amount. Before that, you can open the Trust Wallet app. You can select BNB. If you want, we are receiving BNB from Binance to Trust Wallet. That's why we are receiving. That's why click on receive and click on copy the address. The address will be copied, and then you can click on Binance account and paste the address. Trust Wallet is not providing memo. That's why I leave it and click on maximum. The transaction fee is 0.0005 BNB and click on withdraw. Okay, submit, confirm. It will shows two verifications. First one is mobile verification and second one is uh, email verification. Click on send button. You will receive OTP, mobile OTP and email OTP. This is email OTP. And message, you will receive a message from Binance. You can copy the message. This is mobile OTP. You can paste here and click on submit. It will take 1 minute time. Just open the Trust Wallet app. Just refresh the Trust Wallet. Just the BNB will be updated. After BNB update, click on wallet. Just you can convert BNB into smart chain. You cannot buy directly to BNB. That's why we are converting BNB to smart chain, BNB smart chain. Click on DEX, DEX. Type your value 0.026, 0.026 and click on swap. You can change value 0.25, no 0.20. Yeah, click on send. The network fees is 100 rupees, 90.37 rupees. Successfully swap successfully completed. Click on OK. Click on wallet. Just you can check your value will be updated on smart chain. After that, which token you want to buy, select the token and click on the apps. Click on Pancake Swap. Just connect your wallet. At the top of menu, it will shows automatic. I am already connected to smart chain. Just click on connect. I am already connected. Select the currency. Select the currency. If the coin is not available, you can copy the address, contact address from coingecko.com or CoinGecko app. Before that, you can install the CoinGecko app or you can browse through net. Just type the coin name. Whatever you want to buy, type the coin name. Baby Doge. Click on Baby Doge coin. This is the contact address. Here it shows Ethereum. You can, if you want to buy this coin, you want only Ethereum. If we are available only BNB, that's why you cannot buy this Baby Doge coin, Baby Doge ETH. Here click on Baby Doge BSC token. Click on, just observe this, it is BNB. You can buy only BNB tokens. You can buy this coin. Click on copy. Copy the address and go to your Trust Wallet. Paste the address. Automatically it shows the coin. Some coins are recently listed coins are also available in CoinGecko. That's why you can copy any coin's address and you can paste your address and select the coin and type your BNB value 0.01. Type your BNB value. I have only 0.00. I want to buy only 0.001. That's why I am typing. According to your BNB, you can enter the BNB values. Automatically, it shows the coins and change the slippage into. Try to change the slippage first 3% and try. If the process is not success, change the values from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 12% slippage and click on confirm swap or swap. After completion of success, the transaction successful window will be displayed. After that, you can close the Pancake Swap and click on wallet. The coins added into your Trust Wallet. You can check the coins value. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any information, please comment or please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.